No matter what the Leafs, Lightning, or Bruins do in the trade market, the first round series between Toronto and Tampa and the potential second round series between the Leafs or Lightning and Bruins are both going 6 to 7 games. The margins are razor thin. The Leafs are the only team other than the Avalanche to outscore Tampa in a playoff series during their 3 straight runs to the Cup final. The Leafs are also 4-2 in their last 6 games against the Bruins, and one of those losses was without Austin Matthews. All of these teams are top 5 in the NHL standings. They're a lot more closely matched than you think.